So we are at my newest listing at 46 Oakridge in the East Lake neighborhood. First thing you'll notice when you walk in is this gorgeous, large, open floor plan. So the room is massive for living space. You have an incredible amount of windows. You have this beautiful, cozy gas fireplace, and they've completely redone all the floors. They're gorgeous. Right off of the living room, we have this amazing formal dining room, perfect for dinner parties. And then we come into this gorgeous kitchen. So white cabinets, nice and fresh, granite countertops, a beautiful walk-in pantry, and then this incredible eat-in kitchen area. Also would be great for a playroom or if you wanted to use it for another cozy den area, flooded with light, access to your screen porch. So here we are in the primary suite. You notice that there's hardwoods throughout. It's a very large room, full of natural light, double walk-in closets, gorgeous bathroom with separate tub and shower, and it opens onto this incredible porch. So one of my very favorite things about this style of home, which is a Charleston style, are these double covered porches. So this is right off of your master. It runs the whole length of the house. You have enough room to come up here and enjoy hanging out, reading a book, having a glass of wine at the end of the day, having breakfast and coffee in the morning. It's really special and unique. In addition to the owner's suite upstairs, we also have two secondary bedrooms, both very large, huge windows overlooking the gorgeous backyard and hardwood floors throughout, which you don't always see. So we are actually in the room above the double car garage. It's a wonderful space that's perfect for home office, for hangout space, really unique and unusual to have.